Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve overheating issue in Galaxy A35 5G. Guys, in this video, I'm going to use A55 5G. By the way, both the devices are same. So yes, this method is applicable on both devices. So firstly, if you want to fix the overheating issue, you have to go to settings, then scroll down and then go to accessibility. In this section, we have vision enhancement. So just tap here and then go to extra dim. Guys, you have to enable this feature so that the extra dim will be enabled and all the extra brightness and extra light will be disappeared. Basically, this may cause overheating, so it is a solution for fixing the overheating. The second thing is just go to setting, search bar and write background. Then go to background process limit in developer option, by the way. Tap here and tap to add most two processes so that only two processes will work at the background. The third thing is, guys, if you are cover up your phone from the back pouch or back cover, so you have to take off the cover because it may also cause the heating issue. So this method will also fix the heating problem. And the last one is, guys, if your phone is heating continuously, make sure that maybe possible you have any update about the Android version. So just go to your software update and check either if you have any update or not. If you have any update, so yes, update the phone and it will also fix your overheating issue. So that's it, guys, about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.